Arri have released the full version of Arri Camera Companion app, and in this video I'm gonna show you everything you need to know about Arri Camera Companion app. Now we know that it's subscription based, and all of our second ACs and focus pullers and other camera guys are talking about this, that why is it paid. So basically, if we are having one camera, we don't really need to pay for this, and in this video I will show you how you can do that. So first of all, I will show you how you can install it, then I will show you how you can do the settings in your Arri cameras to connect it with your Wi-Fi on your phone, and then to open it on your Arri Camera Companion app. So let's just jump into it. So for the camera menus, you need to open the camera settings and scroll down till you see the system settings. In system settings, you go down till you see the camera access protocol and you enter in there. In camera access protocol, you need to enable it, go back, and right under that is going to be the Wi-Fi settings. You need to enter in that, and then on the Wi-Fi you need to enable it and make sure that it's in host mode. We're done with setting up your camera to connect with Arri Camera Companion app. Feel free to go to App Store and download your Arri Camera Companion app. It is available there, and you don't need to have test flight or any third-party software to download it now. So go to App Store, download Arri Camera Companion app, and then open your Wi-Fi settings on your iPad or on your iPhone. So after you open your Wi-Fi settings on your iPad, you can see your cameras. Here I am on a set where I have multiple Arri cameras. So you can see I have here an Alexa Mini as well. So I will click on that, and the password of Arri cameras by default on all the Wi-Fi's of Arri cameras is Arri, and all the small letters, no capital letter at all. But in case you want to have the control of your camera with you only, and you want to make sure that no one else connects by mistake your camera with their Arri Camera Companion app and format the card, you can go to the settings of your camera and change the password so you are sure that no one else can control your camera at all. And to be honest, this have happened in front of me on a set where we were having multiple Arri cameras, and then all the passwords were same, and someone connected someone else's camera and formatted the card. So make sure to change the Wi-Fi password in your camera settings and be sure that no one else can do anything like that. Now, once your camera is connected, what you need to do is you need to open your Arri Camera Companion app, and once you open it for the first time, it's gonna look something like this. You will go continue and continue. I'm just not gonna see or read anything like this, so I will finish, and once I'm done with that, it's gonna give me this screen to create a new project. So I will click on create on the plus, and I will name my projects. I will say test, and then I will create project. Once I do that, it's gonna show something like this in front of me, and then after that, if I go here on the gear icon and I click on it, what will happen is it will open a new settings menu where I can really set up my project and I can add my cameras. When you open it for the first time, it's gonna give you this pop-up that it's gonna want you to allow Arri Camera Companion app to find devices on local networks. So you can just allow it. So what I'm gonna do is, you can see it have already recognized my camera, which is Mini 2555. So I will click on plus icon, and you can see my camera is there. Now after that, what I need to do is I need to click on save, and once I do that, it will open the Arri Camera Companion app in front of me. Now if you look at this, most of the buttons or features are locked and are grayed out. It means you cannot access them without paying, but still we have the full control of our Arri cameras, and I will show you how you can do that. So first of all, we have some options which are available here, which are exposure index, which is NDs and white balance, and then after that we have a record stop option here as well. So these are the only 4 options which are available for free. Other options, if you want to change the frames per second, or if you want to change the shutter angle or anything, you need to pay for it. But there is a way where you can really control your camera without paying. So how can we do that? You can see here the web remote, and if I click on web remote, what will happen is it will open the web user interface in front of me. Here I have all the access to everything. I can change the frame per second, I can change my shutter angle, I can play back, I can do whatever I want to be honest. And then you have access to all your menus. You can change your codec resolution, you can erase your card here, you can do whatever you want to do in your camera. So this is the way you can use your Arri Camera Companion for free. And I'm a T18 and I use it this way all the time on set. I have always next to me on my cart an iPad, and I have the control of my camera there where I can really control, and I haven't paid it because I'm not most of the time on 2 or multiple cameras. But if you are using 2 or more than 2 cameras on a set, you will really need to pay, and then you can connect all the cameras on the same time to your iPad. I hope I covered most of the stuff regarding Arri Camera Companion app, and if you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments and I will be more than happy to reply for that. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.